Hi guys! Good afternoon. May dumaan nagbigay ng milk tea. Thank you, anak. Napakabait mo talaga. Ang guys, binigyan ako ng milk tea ng anak ko. Dumaan siya kanina. Ay, may milk tea ako. May milk tea ako. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sewelty. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, masasabi ko. Thank you. And thank you. Na? Yes.